Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Healthy Fringe channel, your go-to destination for all things wellness. I'm excited about today's topic because we're diving into the world of powerful super drinks that can work wonders for your health. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our health-boosting content. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Elixir of Green Tea. Our first super drink on the list is none other than green tea. Packed with antioxidants, green tea is known to boost metabolism, improve brain function, and even enhance fat burning during exercise. It's a refreshing choice that's not only delicious but also an excellent addition to your daily health routine. Number 2. The golden goodness of turmeric latte. Next up, we have the golden elixir, also known as turmeric latte or golden milk. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mixing it with warm milk creates a soothing drink that may help with joint health, digestion, and overall well-being. Number 3. The hydration hero, coconut water. Moving on to a natural hydrator, coconut water. This tropical delight is not only low in calories but also rich in electrolytes, making it an excellent choice for hydration. It's not just a refreshing beverage, it's a natural way to replenish essential minerals and keep your body in balance. Number 4. The Berry Blast Antioxidant-Rich Smoothie. Now, let's talk about a drink that's as tasty as it is healthy, the antioxidant-rich berry smoothie. Packed with berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, this smoothie is a powerhouse of vitamins and antioxidants. It's a delicious way to support your immune system and promote overall health. Number 5. Energizing Matcha Latte. Ever tried Matcha Latte? If not, you're missing out on a potent source of antioxidants and a gentle energy boost. Matcha is finely ground green tea leaves, providing a concentrated dose of nutrients. Swap your regular cup of coffee for a matcha latte to elevate your energy levels without the jitters. Number 6. The detoxifying power of lemon water. Don't underestimate the simplicity of lemon water. This humble drink is a fantastic way to kickstart your day. Packed with vitamin C, it supports immune function and aids in digestion. Plus, the natural acidity can help alkalize your body and promote detoxification. Number 7. The soothing sip, herbal infusions. Last but not least, explore the world of herbal infusions. Whether it's chamomile for relaxation, peppermint for digestion, or ginger for its anti-inflammatory properties, herbal teas are a versatile and flavorful way to incorporate health-boosting elements into your daily routine. There you have it, a lineup of powerful super drinks that can truly work wonders for your health. Experiment with these beverages, find your favorites, and make them a regular part of your lifestyle. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let us know in the comments which super drink you're excited to try. Until next time, here's to your health and well-being.